everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and one of the most important ingredients for Japanese cuisine is dashi. This light stock is essential for many ramens and soups, and luckily for us, it is super easy to make. So get ready, it's time for some easy vegan dashi. Let's get into it. The simplest of dashi is made with just water and kombu. Kombu is a thick seaweed common in Japanese food for its deep umami and nutrients. Creating a stock from kombu is as simple as soaking the seaweed in water for a couple hours. However, many dashis are made with a combination of kombu and bonito flakes, a type of dried fish flakes, to deepen the flavor. There's an easy workaround to this to keep the dashi plant-based without losing any rich flavor in the liquid, and that would be dried shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms have a deep, earthy aroma that is even stronger when they are dried and rehydrated. By soaking these in water, we achieve a deep, savory flavor and an intense umami necessary for Japanese cooking. For our dashi today, we'll be using both kombu and shiitake together to achieve a rich and light plant-based dashi. There are two ways I prefer to make dashi, a long way and a short way. The long way is simply soaking the kombu and the mushrooms together in room temperature water for 6 hours or overnight. The outcome of this slower method is a light broth that contains the umami without having an overbearing flavor. The shorter method is to take the same ingredients to the stove and slowly heat the water until it's just barely simmering. Keep it at this low simmer for about 30 minutes. Using heat to bring out the flavors of the kombu and the shiitake allow a stronger, more intense flavor to surface, perfect for when you want the flavors of the dashi to have more prominence. With either method, once you are done soaking the ingredients, strain out the liquid into a container. I like to squeeze the mushrooms so no liquid is left out. Then discard the solid ingredients and store the dashi in the fridge for up to 5 days. And there you have it, 2 super easy ways to make vegan dashi for all your ramen or other dish needs. Well, that does it for today. Stay tuned to see how I use this dashi in a delicious bowl of ramen. So like and subscribe so you don't miss that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Nami.